Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time I have an unboxing, and this is actually a special unboxing because I am going to unbox a few things, and each one sort of has a theme around it of how to deal with these ridiculous price increases. And I'm talking like specifically about Chanel, because they have recently, and Dior, because they have both recently had these ridiculous price increases. And yeah, it's getting to a point where I can't you know, continue buying the brand. And so this is actually video number 1. I don't know how many videos there are going to be, but I do have a few planned, and this is one of them. So yeah, stay tuned to see my tip number 1 for dealing with these price increases. Alright, so my tip number 1, and let me unbox this first and get into more about it. So this is part of a purchase. Well, it is the purchase that I made from a website called Essence, S-S-E-N-S-E. And I hadn't heard about this this company, but they recently had a amazing, I guess you call it, Black Friday sale. And so I decided to order a few things. They are based out in Canada, and surprisingly these things came very, very fast, even faster than some companies that are based here in the United States. And so I thought that was pretty crazy. But alright, so here is the inside, and they wrapped it pretty nicely. Alright, let me put the box out here. Alright, so, and sorry about the paper sound, but I'll try to be as quiet as I can. Okay, cool. Okay, so the first item I purchased was, and if you guys are familiar with this brand, it is the classic check pattern from Burberry. And you guys can see it has a little bit of rainbow in there too. But okay, so my tip number 1 for how to deal with these ridiculous price increases is to go down a tier or so. So they always say that, you know, Louis, Chanel, and Hermes are up there in the echelons of you know, luxury. And to be honest with you, one of the first brands that I got into when I was in high school and college was this brand right here, which is Burberry. And let me just show you guys a couple of the bags that I have from this brand. So I have, and I don't really wear them anymore, but I really should. Alright, so here is a messenger bag, and I sort of did DIY this little handle on here, so that is not original to the bag. I sort of made you know, things right here to connect a handle. And yeah, here is another handle that I put on here, but it does come with a shoulder strap. And let me show you one more. Like I said, I hardly ever use these anymore. And here is another one. So this is a tote bag from Burberry. And so again, my tip is to you know, buy other things other than Chanel, Louis, and and Hermes. And to be honest with you, this one from Burberry, and let me show you the tag, if it'll focus here. And it'll show you the company that I bought it from. There you go, it says SSENSE. And it does not say what the price is, but I did purchase this through their Black Friday special, and it was a pretty good deal. I think it was, let me focus here a little bit. It was about, I think, $100 off. This is a very light scarf, and it is pretty big too. And I really wanted something in, you know, with the rainbow as part of the check, but I just didn't see anything that I liked until I saw this piece. And so yeah, so that is that. And let me get into a couple other items that I purchased on this website, and they come in these bags, and they are from the company Off-White. Let me take out this one first. And so they're basically the same thing, but just different colors. Alright, so here is the first item, and it is a belt. And I know that these belts are very widely faked and whatnot, and so I did not want to buy these on the secondary market. I wanted to purchase them from a store like Essence, because you can, you know, guarantee that it is real. But so here is the belt again, and it does come with all the tags and everything. And here we go. And again, this was, you know, marked down quite a bit also, and it is a really long belt, but I actually don't plan on using it as a belt. And before I show you what I plan on using it for, let me get into this other piece. And so I guess that goes into another tip for you, and that is to, you know, purchase things on sale. But that wasn't the main point of this video. The main point of this video is the point where I was trying to say to purchase, you know, items that aren't in the tier of Louis Vuitton, Hermes, and Chanel. So here is another belt, and it is a red one, red and black. And this, for you guys who are not familiar with this brand, it comes from, it was started by Virgil Abloh, who is the current creative director for Louis Vuitton Men's. And yeah, so this is his company that he started, and he was, you know, their designer before he moved on to Louis Vuitton. And I thought it would be a great idea. You guys saw me unbox this strap, which I got from Louis earlier, but let me show you. So this is how I intend to use these belts, and I hope I have not tried them. You guys saw me just unbox these, and I'm going to try these with you guys. So this is the toiletry pouch 26, and I have seen a lot of people, not a lot of people, but some people, you know, design their toiletry pouch 26s with scarves and other things. I thought, what if I were to design it with these belts? And so let me put this in here real quick and show you. And let me just, and I'll do this quickly. I'm not gonna say that this is gonna be the final design, but I just want to show you guys what I was thinking. And you know, mixing brands is all right, especially if people know, you know, what you're trying to do. And I thought with Off-White and with Louis, I thought it was a really cool idea to mix up those brands. Jeez, okay, so let me show you sort of what, what I'm thinking here. Okay, so this isn't at all the final look, but I was thinking of, you know, putting the belts on this piece right here to sort of jazz it up a little bit. I don't know, what do you guys think? All right, so that is what I got in this unboxing, and that is, again, my first tip for dealing with these ridiculous price increases. And again, that is to buy you know, things that aren't as expensive, like Chanel, Hermes, and Louis, of course. All right, so I purchased something from Burberry and a couple things from the brand Off-White. But yeah, so that does it for this video. I hope you liked it, and stay tuned for more of these, you know, types of videos, because I do have some unboxings, you know, coming. I do have some boxes still coming in, or packages coming in, that I plan to do more of these videos on. And yeah, I'm just trying to, you know, think of other ideas to spice up my channel a little bit, and this was one of those ideas. So hope you liked it, and stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.